Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want short pasta, penne. So making sauce with bacon and roast ham, mushroom, shiitake, ringi, and enoki, and saute with the broccoli. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Shiitake. Boiling water, already 100 grams salt inside. So penne. So this short pasta takes long time boiling. It takes about 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, chopped garlic, chili pepper, olive oil. Turn on the switch, high flame. Okay, bacon. Broccoli. Mushroom. So this is the pasta boiling juice. Little bit salt flavor that, and also bacon has a salt flavor and ham has a salt flavor. That's why if you make this kind of pasta, you better calculate so how many salt is already inside. Because each item has salt already. Let me check a little bit how the salt is. Good balance. Sauce is done. Okay, check pasta. How good? Turn on the switch. little bit. Baran, olive oil, chili. Okay, done. Heating up, serving plate. You must heating up. Okay, let's start to eat. This is the short pasta penne, broccoli and bacon and roast ham and mushroom, garlic flavor. いただきます。Ham and bacon, mushroom. So good. Good balance. Good salt taste because bacon and roast ham has already salt flavor. Also, today I'm just making garlic and salt flavor. So if you want like tomato flavor, so you just add tomato. So this one is called bianco. You just add tomato sauce, making tomato flavor. It looks red. That's why called rosso. So you can make two-way, one of a tomato base, one of a garlic and salt base. Okay. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Have a good short pasta. Thank you.